In the heart of a bustling city, a unique residence defies convention. This isn't your ordinary house, it's a 22,000 square FT architectural symphony designed for an entrepreneur who's also a real estate magnate. Join us as we delve into the creative odyssey that brought the Link House to life. The project began with a challenge: create two separate dream homes for a father and son on a limited plot of land. Our team saw this as an opportunity, not a limitation. We proposed a bold design: two distinct blocks for each resident, graciously linked at the upper level. Minimizing the footprint was key. We achieved this by elevating the living spaces, leaving ample room for green pockets, sunken courtyards, and sprawling lawns. But the bridge wasn't just a physical connection, it symbolized the link between generations, ideologies, and experiences. As you ascend this dynamic walkway over cascading water and lush greenery, anticipation builds. Each step promises an unexpected revelation, a glimpse into the extraordinary world that awaits. Crossing the bridge, you enter a meticulously planned world, meticulously segregated to cater to the father and son's individual needs. The Link House itself is a masterpiece of entertainment, situated at the upper level and seamlessly connecting both residences. Stepping out onto the pool deck, surrounded by stepped gardens and overlooking the vast green lawns, you understand the true essence of this space. It's more than just a pool, it's a vibrant hub where the family comes together to celebrate and cherish their connection. Descending below the bridge, we find the parents' haven, a peaceful sanctuary offering tranquility and security. Meanwhile, the son's residence seamlessly integrates with both the upper and lower levels. Here, cleverly designed sunken courts serve a dual purpose: tranquil gathering spots and visual breaks in the landscape. These spaces flow outwards, connecting to the vast lawns, creating a sense of discovery and diverse experiences. When seeking ultimate serenity, the basement level awaits. Imagine indulging in a luxurious spa experience with a skylight that opens to the heavens. Or perhaps unwinding by the soothing blue water body, a stark contrast to the concrete above. This thoughtfully designed oasis is the perfect place to unwind and rejuvenate. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the finest Italian marble and wood. The interiors reflect an exquisite balance of luxury and warmth, elegance intertwined with functionality. Large windows usher in natural light, seamlessly merging the stunning outdoors with the impeccably designed living areas. Each room is a canvas, a blend of modern, contemporary aesthetics with a touch of timeless elegance. The father's space exudes a sense of refinement with subtle, mature tones of gray, while the son's embodies a more playful, modern, yet sophisticated aesthetic. Every detail of the Link House whispers a story of thoughtful design. Here, luxury embraces functionality. Every turn reveals a surprise, a delightful discovery. It's more than just a residence, it's an experience waiting to unfold every single day.